Welcome back to another Walmart haul. Today I have just a few items to share with you guys. Connor did get an Intex mat. It's just a transparent float, basically like a mattress for the water. He also needed another pair of the slip-on shoes, and these are from Wonder Nation. They're size 13s and they're $5.87, I believe. Yeah, $5.87, because the other slip-on pair that he has, because they're so cheap, like, you know, just run and play outside in them and stuff, and they are trashed. So I wanted to get him a pair that we could just slip on and, you know, go to church, outings, versus just playing in the shoes, because they're totally trashed. And they're cheap enough to replace like that. So we looked in the movie bin, and we always find good movies. So yesterday our find was the Jack Black Goosebumps movie. He liked the first one better than the second one, which the second one's on Netflix right now. And I even liked this first one. We're a big fan of Goosebumps. We watched through all of the 90s Goosebumps. And who else is excited for the reboot of Are You Afraid of the Dark? Is it just me? Probably not. But yes, Goosebumps. And there's our Mr. Clay Jensen from 13 Reasons. I will always forever know him as Clay. And little also fact for you, he's the little boy in Prison Break that plays Michael, the little Michael. So yes, how cool. So yes, and if you like my nails, yes, I had 3 breaks, so I had to cut them. These are Impress nails, and the name on the box is Goal Setter. They're like a chameleon kind of effect. They're very beautiful. I definitely had no intentions of buying a purse or anything like that, but it's so cute. I only had 3 left, and you know, if you don't grab it when you see it, you know, it's gone. So this was $14.97, and this is the like kind of crossbody bag stuff I'm into now. I really love huge purses, but there is something about a crossbody bag that I just am enjoying the past year or so. So this is like a pale pink, like rose and a like flower on there. How adorable. And it's got gold hardware. How cute. And then the shorts I got are $5.87, I believe. Stretchy band. It's got this nice little cord. It doesn't tighten them up or anything like that. It's literally just decorative kind of looking little tassels. Look at that floral print. And look at the fringes on the leg. Now it is kind of thin material, but they feel nice, they look nice, and they look so cute on. So many prints to choose from, but I'm just so into florals that I couldn't pass these up. And they went up to size 19. I'm about to change the angle too soon. But anyways, you guys, I got 3 camis. They're the scoop neck camis. They're the $1.68 camis. And with leggings, especially in the fall, I like to wear camis with like pullovers and leggings. And they have their fall shades out. So I got this beautiful burnt orange shade. This beautiful purple, deep purple. This mustardy kind of yellow. I'm digging the colors. And these were the 3 like favorite ones, and I got them in a size 20. They're fitted camis, scoop neck, $1.68. What's not to love? I bought a bunch of these last year, spring, summer, and fall, and I love them. Very comfortable, and they are definitely worth the $1.68, and they're good quality for how much that they actually are. One item that I picked up that was not on a wish list or anything like that, but I did get a good candle. This is one of my favorite mainstay scents, Hazelnut Cream. John always buys me this scent, and I just love this scent so very much. It's so strong. It has an amazing throw. This was $4.24, I believe, for a 14-ounce candle. and it just smells so good. It's a 3-wick candle. These are very comparable to Bath & Body Works candles in my opinion, at a fraction of the price, just like the Walnut Avenue ones. Yes, I'm excited to have a decent candle. I've been buying a lot of Dollar Tree candles and Dollar General and literally getting burnt on them. Like, they do not burn all the way down. And now a couple wish list items that I found yesterday, and this is due to a beautiful mess here on YouTube. Terry, girl, you have talked about this so much and I had to try it. I was so excited to see the display at Walmart, and it's the Clean and Clear Lemon Gel Cleanser, and this cuts through oil, dirt, or dissolves dirt, oil-free vitamin C. It's 7.5 ounces for $6. I believe it was $5.96. And this smells amazing. I love lemon scents, so when she was showing this in her video, I had to grab it because I'm a fan of lemon. They had exfoliating scrubs and pads and wipes in this scent. I think maybe even a moisturizer, but I was only interested in the cleanser because I've been using Olay's Micro Sculpting cream, and I've just been using that as a moisturizer now, so I don't really want to use any other moisturizers and stuff, but the cleanser had to have. Thank you, girl, for shedding light on that. Also, another item she had in her empties, and I usually do not splurge on this kind of thing because I usually just get Dollar Tree razors, but I couldn't help myself. She said that these didn't really exfoliate any like they claimed down here, but I wanted, it says there's sugar inside them, but I wanted these because they are a vanilla sugar scent, and that is one of my scents, especially from high school. Like, vanilla sugar scent was it, the bomb to me. And I don't know, this just made me feel kind of nostalgic, and I wanted to try them because of the vanilla scent. So I picked them up, and to me, these are a little pricey. I believe they were almost $5 for 4 razors, which technically is really not a bad deal if they work great. But I'm used to getting 3 razors for $1 that I absolutely adore from the Assured brand at Dollar Tree. So this was a splurge item for Mama. On to the beauty items. I had a bunch of stuff on my wish list, and I looked the beauty section over and couldn't find most of the e.l.f. stuff I wanted. So this is the stuff I picked up, and I got the Onyx Professionals 100% acetone remover. I always repurchase this. I'm going to show you the one item that I did find on my wish list, and then the 2 items that I found that were just totally random and awesome finds. So I went for the Maybelline Super Stay Full Coverage 16-Hour Pressed Powder, or Powder Foundation. Now, I did get this in 120 Classic Ivory because I am getting a little bit of color on me. Otherwise, I would have took it in Porcelain, probably the lightest shade they had. A lot of people here on YouTube were hauling this for $12, $13, something like that. At my Walmart, they had it for $8.98, so $9, and I am so excited. I've heard nothing but great things about this, and honestly, it being summer, and I'm a bigger girl, so, sweat. It's hot. It's 100 degrees here, you know? So, yes, I am excited to try the powder foundation, and looking forward to hopefully only having to use this during the summer and leave behind foundation and concealer for a minute. So I really love Maybelline products, so I am so excited to try this. And then from Wet n Wild, they have all of the horoscope makeup out, and that's not a new collection, but they brought it out permanently, I guess. And I heard about this highlighter, and I never could find it, and it's called Written in the Stars, and it's a loose highlighting powder. I love this packaging. I am a Taurus, and yes, it's beautiful. And I compared it to the Mega Glow highlighters there, and it is a little bit of a shade different than the champagne kind of one they got that's called, I think, I'm So Lit. And it's right there with that one, but it's, like I said, about a shade difference. And so I just went ahead and picked this up. I believe this was like $5.62 or something like that. So I love these Mega Glow highlighters, so I had to grab that. And then something I found on a whim, not looking for this at all, but they had this marked down on clearance, and I'd actually looked at it prior, but I didn't want to pay the price for it because they're like mini products, but that's okay. Physicians Formula, this is their baby butter box, and I've been dying to try the bronzer, but I've heard nothing but greatness about the bronzer. So the bronzer, loving the blush there. Highlighter, I'm super stoked about trying. The eyeshadow duo looks a little similar to the Sultry Nights palette eyeshadows that I have, so I may put that in the giveaway. Get a butter lip product, an exclusive shade, and you also get the Butter Paradise perfume. So if you like the scent of the products, you will probably like that as well. This was on sale clearance for $8. So I thought, yeah, totally, $8, totally worth it. You get 6 products total in here. They're Physicians Formula, so you know they're great. And yes, I was so stoked about this box. So you guys be on the lookout for your Walmart to have these clearance down as well. And that's all for the haul. I told you it wasn't very much, but some wish list items and things like that. So I hope you guys enjoyed the small haul. Stay tuned for more makeup tutorials and other videos. Check the description box for additional links, you guys. I thank you guys always for watching. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already.